We're at Geo Business 2024 at the NavVis booth. It's really good to be back. I'm joined by Phil Gilbert from Greenhatch Group. Phil, you guys are pretty recent customers. Can you tell me a little bit about what you're using NavVis tech for?
Yeah, so we've had the NavVis VLX 2 for about 5 months now, and it's going really well. We can't really find any fault with it so far. It's been fantastic. It's speeded up our on-site surveying very, very quickly. For instance, we've done major museums and care homes up and down the country, and it's really speeded up like a 6-month job down into like 2 or 3 weeks on site.
Incredible. So you were telling me earlier about quite an interesting project that you guys have just completed. Can you tell the audience a little bit more about this project?
The Science Museum. Yeah, so it was obviously the whole London Science Museum, fantastic place. It was all for area measure, area calculations. So I can't remember off the top of my head how big it is, but obviously it's absolutely massive. And they've recently come back and they want more information, all the IVION walkthrough package as well, which will really enhance what they're after, really.
Yeah, brilliant. So really using points of interest to mark certain assets, being able to measure kind of just on the go, and really getting a good idea of what this environment is.
Just be able to walk through any building that we survey and be able to just look without going on site. It's been great. Before we've had 2 packages before, a terrestrial scanner and a photogrammetry scanner thing, and they don't work in line with each other. This just brings everything together as one, and it's just a great visual aspect.
Awesome. What is your experience so far with kind of using the VLX versus the terrestrial system? Like, I know that terrestrial systems are still very, very relevant, and often I don't see the VLX as a replacement for a terrestrial system, but more of a supplement. Have you had the same experience?
At the minute, we are trying to get the right balance. I think there is still a place, obviously, for the terrestrial scanner, for the long-range scanning and high-rise buildings, things like that, and still used for a total station to put control in. But moving forward, I don't see why it can't kind of overtake the terrestrial scanners, because the speed on site and the accuracy is second to none. The level of detail, even on fields or anything like that, is spot on. It's faultless, really.
Brilliant. So you guys are with the VLX 2, right? Any plans to kind of upgrade to the VLX 3 anytime soon?
It's in progress. We've put it to the higher powers, if you like, and hopefully, I don't see why not. Within 3 or 4 months, I think we'll have another. Things go on from there, hopefully another. Yep. If you guys keep improving and keep reducing that point cloud density, then we'll keep on buying more, I think.
Definitely the goal to kind of keep improving over time. And I think it's something that we've worked a lot on. Our software updates are valuable. Yeah. And we have systems that are improving over time instead of kind of getting worse over time. And I think that's something that we really want to continue pushing. In terms of the processing, what have you found with the processing? Is it saving you guys time? Is it easier to process than kind of traditional methods?
Yeah, I'd say so. I mean, myself personally, I've only processed 3 or 4 projects myself, and it just seems to be seamless. When you get the hard drive back, plug it in, you download the data, and you just send it off overnight, come back the next day, it's done. Even if you see a fault on the screen, you think, that's not quite aligned, that's not quite aligned, don't worry about it too much. You guys will sort it all out. Come the morning, it's there, processed, ready to use as an E57. Insert it into your AutoCAD drawing and away you go.
Awesome. Well, Phil, thank you so much for joining us. Really good to chat to you, and happy mapping.
Cheers.